Hey, have you ever wondered what it takes to get a booth at Team'25 set up, configured, and ready for prime time? Well, the folks over at Resolution gave me a few minutes of their time to give us a little bit of a behind the scenes peek, and so enjoy the video.
All right, so this year we tried something a bit different because the last 2 years we had a theme that connected to all of our apps but was very vague, so people were a bit, I guess, confused or didn't understand exactly what we do. This year we've split the booth into two different sections to portray, represent two of our apps. On the right we have out of office assistant for Jira. The idea is that if you set it up, your team is going to know that you're out of office and your Jira tickets are going to be diffused to somebody else. So work progresses and so on. And we have the shirt and this t-shirt to connect with the theme. And we'll also be wearing this at Bash, obviously. And on the other side, we have the NASA theme. So yeah, astronauts. NASA is not another stand-up app. It's actually a meeting management app for every kind of recurrent meetings, planning meetings, and so on. Goes with this jacket, which we already featured last year. It was very popular. Has this nice, you can put this on and so on. And that's the idea. Then one other thing that has to do with NASA and the meetings and the virtual meetings is all of these postcards we've done. The idea is that you can use these postcards in virtual meetings a little bit for fun, but also to communicate when somebody is on mute or when you're too tired, so you're suggesting a 5-minute break, but then you're not coming back.
I've done those before.
Yeah. Or to just express despair, I guess. So we have 17 different postcards. This is also a classic. So yeah, and we're giving them away. It's a pack. You can take as many as you like. And then we have t-shirts. So we have some classics. We have Pimp, Legend, Full Stack Developers. These are classics.
Those I have. NASA,
the
we got from last
NASA
year.
one we already had last year was very popular because also in the back it says this sentence. I don't know what I did yesterday, but I'm pretty sure I'll continue today.
Classic.
It's a classic. And the new ones this year are Rage Against the Machine Learning. If you're tired with all the AI hype, I guess. And the out of office t-shirt, classic surf t-shirt.
Because where else does people go on vacation if not to the beach?
Exactly. And Bash theme is also that. And that's our booth here.
Cool. And what else are you guys going to be doing?
So we also have plenty of stickers that are down in the cabinets. I don't know how to key. Yeah, and I think that's pretty much everything. We may also have some tags like this. This is from a partner of ours, Umanu.
Okay.
But we have similar
Mr. Chris
stuff.
Boyce?
Yeah, that's Chris Boyce. They are next to the Williams race car.
Okay.
Racing car.
Cool.
And yeah.
Yeah, Jaime explained already all the stuff and did the finishing of the booth. I mean, it's always super interesting to be a sponsor at Team'25. This year we are doing the sponsorship since many, many years. It's always a stressful time up front, so you need to figure out what design you want to do. So we split it this time our booth in two sections. One is NASA, not another standard app, and then the beautiful section with the beach, our out of office app, because we said we want to address these two things. And in the past, for example, we tried to do a super generic booth and to address all our apps. So we have 15, 20 apps. And this was difficult for customers to understand what we are doing. And now we said, okay, let's go direct with the message of two apps and we can talk about the other apps. The organization is always super interesting. I mean, there's a lot of logistics around. I think we optimized it already heavily in the last year. So we have 500 shirts with us. So they are produced here in the United States and they're also direct shipped here. So in the past we adding all the stuff in the luggage, so every person, every team member need to travel with 50, 60, 70 shirts. So this is now much easier. And I mean, we're a t-shirt company with a software problem. We are famous for the shirts. They are the most important part. Yeah, and then we prepare all the stuff. We prepare the demos. We ship this week a lot of new versions of our apps. So to show, for example, in HubSpot, we have a new automation feature, but also in Out of Office, we have a new issue glance, which shows inactive users, that people can make better assignee decisions. So all the stuff goes in hand. So developers working in Germany still on the last final things. We prepared the demos also with upfront meetings, and yeah, that's what we do.
Now, the booth, these pictures, is this something you got printed and you added, or did Atlassian add it?
I mean, it's in the package what you buy, the booth size. So we are going since a couple of years always for this size here. This is already relatively cost intensive, but you have all the background and so on you're getting, but you need to design it. You need to think about it. What is your story at the booth? So that's what we are doing, but then all the rest is set up from Freeman, the company who's organizing user stuff. So on some point you can come to a nearly finished booth, you put all your stuff, you set up the screens, and then it's done. So it's
nice. So they make it easy.
Yeah,
so what happens?
It sounds easy.
The important question is, what happens to everything at the end if you don't get rid of it? Or what happens to the whole booth at the end?
I have no idea. The last couple of years, sometimes we took the backgrounds and we put it in our office because we loved the design and so on. I think they destroy it. Lucky-wise, we always get rid of our shirts, so we are not putting or having not a lot of stuff what we need to bring back to Germany. That's also important. We try to not producing a lot of trash and so on. But to be honest, I don't know what they are doing with the stuff.
No, but you take what's important to you if there's anything left.
Exactly.
Right.
Exactly.
Okay. That's cool. Well, awesome.